Ever wondered what that soft foam inside premium boxes does? It's EVA foam, small but mighty in packaging. What is EVA? EVA stands for ethylene vinyl acetate. It's a lightweight, closed-cell foam that cushions, resists moisture, and can be cut into precise shapes. Durable, water-resistant, customizable in density and color, and very good at shock absorption, great for protecting fragile items. In GUKA paper packaging world, EVA is used everywhere, not just as loose foam inserts. Here are the main scenarios. Custom die-cut inserts for rigid boxes, neat fit for cosmetics, watches, jewelry. Removable EVA trays inside folding cartons for sample kits or gift sets. Thin EVA pads laminated under paper lids, soft touch and extra protection without changing the box look. EVA-lined compartments for electronics or accessories, prevents scratches and absorbs shocks. Combined paper plus EVA display trays, sturdy countertop displays with a premium feel. Protective partitions and dividers, keep multiple items separated in one box. Reusable EVA inserts for subscription boxes, durable and repeat use friendly. EVA plus paper co-molding for presentation boxes, keep the paper surface aesthetic while adding foam protection. Safety and waterproof. EVA is water resistant and non-toxic when produced to standards, ideal for cosmetics, electronics, and many retail products. At GUKA, we specialize in combining paperboard design with tailored EVA solutions. Inserts, laminated pads, co-molded trays and more, to protect products while keeping a premium paper look. Want packaging that feels great and protects even better? Contact our sales team and let's design the right EVA plus paper solution for your product.
Packaging built to impress.